Hi guys, and welcome back to Solo English TV. Today we are going to talk about 5 common English slang words that we can hear in everyday conversation. So, what is a slang word? Well, a slang word is a word that replaces a formal word. Okay, so a formal word is a word like thank you. Thank you. That is formal. We can use this at work or in a job interview or something like that. But if we are talking to a close friend or family, we can change that word for a slang word. Like the word thank you, we can change to cheers mate. Cheers mate. So the first slang word, as we've already heard, is cheers or cheers mate. Cheers mate is a British English slang, and this means the same as thank you. So if somebody buys you a drink, you can say thank you in a formal setting, or if you're talking to a close friend, you can say cheers mate. Cheers mate. Mate is a slang term for the word friend. The second slang word that we will look at today is also a British English slang word, and that is the word legend. Legend. Or we can also shorten this to just ledge. Ledge. So we can use this word legend or ledge when we are talking about somebody who did something good for you. For example, let's say you need to move house and you need to bring your stuff from your old house to your new house. Now your friend has a big truck. You can call your friend and ask him, can you help me move home? I need to borrow your truck. If he says, yeah, sure, you can say, thanks, you're a legend, or thanks, you're a ledge. Basically, it means that you are a good person or you've done something great. The third English slang word that we're going to look at today is the word or phrase, I'm gutted. I'm gutted. So we use the term I'm gutted when something bad happens to us or if we're really disappointed. Okay, so for example, if your cat dies or if your boyfriend or girlfriend breaks up with you, maybe you feel really sad and disappointed, and obviously that's a bad thing that's happened to you. You can say, I'm gutted. I'm gutted. I'm gutted. My cat just died. I'm gutted. My girlfriend broke up with me. The fourth slang term that we're going to look at today is a little bit ruder than the other one. This term is can't be arsed. Can't be arsed. This is also a British English slang term, and the word arse actually means your bum or your bottom. So when we're saying this to other people, we need to be a little bit careful who we're saying it to. Basically, the phrase can't be asked is used when we don't want to do something. So if your mum says to you, can you tidy your room? You can say, oh, I can't be asked. I can't be asked. Means I don't want to do it. But you should be very careful saying this to your mum because it's quite a rude slang term. Another example would be if your friend says, do you want to go shopping with me? Do you want to go shopping with me? If you don't want to go, you can tell him, nah, I can't be asked. I can't be asked. It means I don't want to go. And the last slang term that we're going to look at today actually has 2 meanings. This word is knackered. knackered. So knackered could either mean that you're very tired, I'm knackered. Or it could mean that something is broken. My car is broken, my car is knackered. It's knackered. So as an example, if your friend asks you, are you coming out tonight? Are you coming out tonight? That means, are you going out for a drink, or are you going out to do something with your friends? You can say, nah, I'm knackered. Or if your car breaks down and you go to see a mechanic, he could say, what's the problem? What's the problem? You can say, I don't know. My car is knackered. My car is knackered. So I hope that you enjoyed learning these 5 common English slang phrases. You can obviously practice using these in your daily conversation. However, just be a little bit careful who you're talking to, as you must remember that these words and phrases are informal. Informal. Okay, that is it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and don't forget to hit that like button if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to the channel if you're new and you want to learn English with me every day. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.